Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video I am going to take you guys through a day with me, and honestly speaking, my days are pretty quite simple. I started off my day with a cup of coffee, then I went outside to read and water my plants. That's the second thing that I did on that day. Let me tell you, every day is not the same. Sometimes I just don't get out of the bed. Some days I just don't do anything at all. But some days are like this, some days are not like this. So I don't want to say that this is like a routine or something. So on this particular day I was home alone, so I was thinking, like, since I'm home alone I should just do some cleaning up. Like, when nobody is at home I feel like cleaning. That's, I don't know if that's just me or anybody else feels the same, but like when everybody is gone I'll be like, yeah, I'll get out of my room and clean up because it's fun. And also while doing that I was watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Actually, this might be so overrated or underrated, but I love this show. Like, I love watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Just so much drama. They always have some sort of drama going on, and I love watching that. So this is just my opinion. Like, I like it, so that's it. I love drama, so they gave me the right amount of drama that I require. Whenever I'm like cleaning or doing anything, it's either music or I need some sort of video in the background, running in the background, because then only I will feel like to clean. So like whenever I'm cleaning, like I'll have some video or like some music to romanticize cleaning. Since all of my siblings go to school, most of the time I'm at home alone all by myself. And at first I used to be so mad that I'm feeling so lonely. I have no one to talk to, I have nowhere to go, I have nothing to do. Like, I couldn't stop complaining about these things. But then I realized it's like it's better off alone. Like, I love being alone and I love spending time to myself and just indulging with myself. But it's obviously it's important to spend time with your loved ones and your family, but it's sometimes better to just like be on your own. So I learned the hard way that spending time with myself is no harm for me. It's actually better. I would like to take a quick minute and talk about TextPlace, which is a Chrome extension especially useful for students. Basically, TextPlace is a Chrome extension where you can create snippets and use them all around Chrome. Great for mail or Google Docs. So I want to show you guys how to use TextPlace. For that, first you have to download the Chrome extension and log into your account. Then click on the plus icon to create new snippet. Then you can fill in the contents for your snippet and give it a label and also a shortcut. Then you can insert your snippet anywhere in Chrome. That's basically how you can create and use snippets using TextPlace. Now I would like to talk about the most useful feature, which is the flashcard bundle. When you're studying for an exam, flashcards can help you to test your memory and accuracy. Then you can grade yourself. So here is how you can create your own set of flashcards. Using TextPlace. So grab the flashcard generator from the link and save it to your TextPlace. So to begin with, there are 4 preset snippets to get you started. So by using those 4 preset snippets, you can test yourself on a random term and a random definition or multiple sets of terms that you need to memorize. You can also customize your own flashcard set. In the database, you can replace those templates with your own term and definition, then type in a shortcut and then you can test yourself. Each time you do that, your table will be automatically updated. So if you guys are interested, you can try TextPlace from the link in the description box down below. I finished having lunch and then I went on watched a movie. Now I'm just sitting and like I'm just resting. That's what happens all the time. You just sit and rot in bed, watch YouTube, TV shows, everything. That's what's happening. I need to plan something and do something just to kill the time, but we'll find out. So just like everybody else, when you have nothing to do, I basically binge on K-dramas because those are like a escapism for me. Like, yeah. And currently I am watching the King the Land. Yeah, King the Land. It's so like addictive. I'm not gonna lie. And then the highlight of everything, like my day, is just like receiving a package. Like it's just there's nothing more exciting than receiving a parcel and unboxing it, and it just makes my day like 10 times better because that's the only exciting thing that happens. Like, what's in the box, you want to know? Yeah, I'm so dumb, I know. I don't know about anybody else, but these are things that excites me. And yeah, these are what happening, guys. I'm really sorry if this video is so boring, but this is my day and how this is go. Hi guys, quick update. It's actually I think it's 9:01. I tutor my sisters, I have two sisters, and I tutor them, and I just got done with that and I was watching a YouTube video. I was watching Erica Haas video. I love watching YouTube videos, you know. It's like all of my favorite YouTubers started uploading, like everyone. They are consistent. So I've been binge watching that. So right now I'm hungry. I need to eat something. So we're gonna go downstairs, make something. So if you know, this is the life of a passed out 12th grader, average passed out 12th grader, because you just eat, sleep, watch TV shows or YouTube, and just this cycle continues, you know. I know, yeah. I'm okay with it. We'll go cook something. I mean, I will go eat something, and uske baad I think I'll watch the K-drama that I was watching, and then what should I do? Should I wear a mask? No, it's not like a mask mode. So I think after that I will watch and then sleep if I could. Yeah, I'll try to sleep early today because I feel I want to sleep more. So yeah.